We have here the Knight of Cups energy. Someone here could be kakarating lang. Ang energy ng just arrived. Okay, and this person right here is someone for some reason, no, nakikita ko rito na parang medyo pagod siya. Parang yung energy na ang dami niyang ginawa. Or this is the type of energy right here, no, na parang pwedeng, yeah, parang ang dami niyang ginawa, no, and then, parang napaka-busy niya. Ganong klase ng energy, no? Pero kung sino man tong energy na to, with the Knight of Cups energy, this person right here has this energy ng mapaibig, no? Or magpapaibig sa'yo. Yan. So, let us see. Who is this person right here? Secrets with the moon. But for some reason, look at the reaction of the moon right here. Isn't it a little weird? Because the moon must be sad, diba? But here, tingnan mo, no, yung kanya rito, no, nakilay, parang yung kilay na sobrang nag-iisip. Okay. So, there could be secrets that this person here is hiding from you. Or, this is the type of energy that you could be thinking something specific patungkol sa energy ito nakadeal mo. Let us see. What are you trying to say to me? And let us take a look at who this person is and what clearly his or her intention sa'yo. Altogether, let's find out. Okay. Parang konting-konti na lang malapit na malapit ka na ritong magdesisyon. You are appearing as the Queen of Coins. But you could feel like this. Strength card energy. Two of Wands in the Three of Coins energy. Okay. Devil and the Knight of Wands. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is what you need to do. High Priestess right at the bottom of the deck together with the Four of Cups to the Page of Coins energy. Hi and hello there collective minimis yan. Welcome po dito sa ating mga returning tambayers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay of course. At yun nga kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong main channel. Excuse me. Ngayon, nag-clear lang ng throat. Ang The High Priestess Tarot, ang link po niyan ay nandyan sa description box. So, araw-araw ay nag-upload din po tayo ng collective readings dyan. At meron din po tayo no, na reading per zodiac sign. Excuse me. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Wala po tayo dito ng gender, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit kasi sa itong general reading and at the end of the day, lahat po kayo ay may free will na free nyo pong gamitin anytime, anywhere, no? At syempre, timeless din po ang ating mga readings kung saan, okay, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na, at sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang, no? But, it looks like Eight of Wands energy, King of Cups right here. Okay, and you are the Queen of Coins. Someone is appearing as the King of Cups. Isang klase ng energy, no? Together with the Eight of Wands, no? Isang klase ng energy na tuloy-tuloy. Actually, hindi nga lang tuloy-tuloy eh. Parang sobrang kaswitan niya sa inyo. To the point na pwede ko tong ihalin tulad sa adjective na extreme. This person here is parang very intense yung kanyang pagpapakita rito no, ng adoration for you. Okay? Hindi lang siya basta sweet, sumusobra pa nga siya sa pagka-sweet. Yan, no? And dahil doon mga babes, no, mukhang malapit na malapit ka ng magdesisyon dito, no, patungkol sa sitwasyon na ito, no. Mukhang ito kayo, no, na konting-konti na lang, no, kayo rito ay malapit nyo nang sagutin ang tao na yan, no. Yeah, an energy here of a new person, brand new individual right here. Maybe you just had met this person here, or maybe others of you, no, pwedeng hindi pa ganun katagal nyo siyang nakakakilala, yan, or kakilala dito, no? But this person here is someone na lumalampas pa kamo sa pagiging sweet sa'yo, no? Hindi naman sa parang pinaghihinalaan mo siya, but with the moon or very strong moon card energy and there's this Ace of Cups, no? You could be thinking, if this person here is really serious, talaga bang mahal niya ako, or talaga ba na pagmamahal yung nararamdaman niya for me? And you are appearing here as the Queen of Coins, someone who is also willing to give out that kind of love, no? At nakikita ko rito, no, na this is you, yun yung pinakamalaki mong tanong. Love ba talaga yung pinapakita niya sa'yo, no? Yeah, may actions dito, no? Yeah, may words din dito, no? Pero dun magkakatalo-talo dito sa feelings and emotions. Yeah, others might be thinking, no, na hindi pa naman kami ganun katagal magkakilala, no? Pero you could be someone here na iniisip ito, ako nga hindi pa nga kami ganun katagal magkakilala pero nagustuhan ko na siya agad, yan, no? So, hindi rin malabong mangyari na baka may feelings nga talaga siya sa akin, baka love nga talaga yun, no? But, you just can't help it because you are seeing yourself, no, na nasa crossroads dito, Two of Wands energy. Is this emotions and feelings all real? Or, these are not meant to stay? Yan, no? So, may ganun klase ng energy rito coming from your energy. So, I'm picking up that this is you with the Strength card energy. This is fear. Okay? So, this is you mga babes, no? Natatakot kayo dito, no? If this is something here with the Three of Coins energy, is this something here that's solid? Is this something here na dapat ko bang ipaglaban? Or this is something here na dapat kong i-let go in the future? Two of Wands energy, Devil. Okay? Nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, that you're afraid sa mga kinikilos at sinasabi nitong tao na to, no, kasi you do not really know, okay, yung kanyang feelings and emotions right here, okay. So, nakikita ko rito na punong-puno siya rito ng extreme actions. Yung words and actions niya rito, no, ay ginagawa niya naman, okay. At nakikita ko rito, no, na ito yung bagay na hindi halos ah, tigil sa inyo sa pag-iisip, no, especially sa gabi, na parang non-stop yung pag-iisip niyo dito sa sitwasyon na 'to, no. Kasi yung iba sa inyo for just a short period of time, this is you, no, na talagang nagugustuhan mo na talaga siya, no. Very consistent itong guy na 'to, itong woman na 'to, lady, LGBTQ, of course, welcome din kayo, no. To the point na sobra siyang sweet sa inyo, no, puwedeng tine-text niya kayo maya't maya, no, kahit nasa work siya, yan, no? And I'm also picking up right here photos. I'm seeing photos right here. This person here is sending you photos, no? Pwedeng yung selfie niya, pwedeng yung food niya, kain tayo. Ayan, and then magsisend siya rito ng food niya. Yung mga ganon. This guy, this woman, this LGBTQs, yan, no? Just take how this resonates, wala tayong gender, ha? So, very consistent siya sa actions niya rito. Very sweet, no? Yung iba sumusobra pa mga babes, no? So, yun ang nakikita natin dito, no? So, with the Page of Pentacles energy, and there's this Four of Cups right here, the High Priestess, okay? Nakikita ko rito mga babes, no? That may advice dito sa universe for you. And this is something here that you must do, no? That you need to do right here. Kasi with the High Priestess, isa lang ang mensahe nito mga babes, no? You are just seeing your emotions. Okay? doesn't have to be na parehas kayo ng emotions. Pero dito, hindi mo nakikita talaga ang kanyang emosyon. Ang nakikita mo pa lang ay ang emotions and feelings mo. Pero di ba, Miss Yan, yun naman talaga yung importante. Yung sigurado ko sa sarili kong emotions and feelings. Yes, you're right. Importante talaga yon na naiintindihan mo rito, no, yung iyong sariling emosyon at feelings, no. Yeah, you like this person right here. You want to establish a solid foundation, a connection, dito sa tao na to, no. Pero kasi ang problema rito, mahal, is that, okay, you see your own feelings and emotions, but you cannot see this person's emotions and feelings, no? Masyado ka nang nadadala sa kanya ritong pinapakita, no, na mga actions, no, sa kanyang mga salita, no, na kay sweet, kay tamis, no, honey, my love, so sweet. Yan, no, may honey na, may love pa, so sweet, lahat-lahat na extreme talaga. Kaya kung sino man 'to mga babes 'no, ang nararamdaman mo ay emosyon mo, okay? So you are being blind spotted. You are being blinded right here, no? You're only seeing your emotions and feelings, no? Alam mo kaya ka nagkakaroon ng ganyan na what if this is something here that I need to let go in the future? Is this something here that's kind of solid na may security ba ako rito? Kasi in the first place, if you're seeing this person's emotions and feelings na genuine or true, then in the first place, you will not think about this tricky question na ganun. 'Di ba? Mahirap kasi yun, na yung sariling emotions and feelings mo lang yung nakikita mo. So, akala mo, emotions and feelings na yun ng person na yun, pero emotions and feelings mo lang pala iyon, no? So, spirits are saying, your guides are saying right here, to use your intuition before you start something solid. Because I'm seeing that you are about to give, you're preparing to say yes to this person right here or to confess your emotions and feelings that you like him or her, no? But beware. Because your emotions and feelings lang pala yung nakikita mo at hindi ang tunay na emosyon at feelings ng taong ito. Okay? Hindi ko nakikitang nagmamatch yung words niya sa kanya ritong feelings and emotions. Yes, may actions, extreme pa nga. Yes, may mga sweet words, extreme pa nga. But those are the things that you see. Those are the things that you hear, no? Using your senses. Excuse me. But there's something here, no, na hindi na kailangang sabihin, no? Maybe my throat is really reacting because, okay, ayaw nitong tao na to na i-reveal ko sa inyo ang kanyang true intentions. This person is appearing as the Knight of Wands, no? Devil energy. Dito tayo nagkakatalo-talo dito. Kasi itong nakita kong hindi maganda sa energy ng taong ito. And I'm picking up right here that this person here is someone na talagang very strong yung nakikita ko. This person right here will put you in something, no, na hot place, hindi isang warm place na napaka-comfortable. Okay? Hot place, no, wherein this person right here, pwedeng gawin kanyang mistress. Yung iba sa kanila, konektado sila, like kasal sila, no? Yung iba naman doesn't have to be nakasal, pero this is something here complicated. See, my throat can't really stop, no? Sa pagkakaroon ng parang pamamalat, no? So, nakikita ko dito na ayaw niya akong pagsalitain dito. Pero sorry siya. Tuloy kong tuloy. Sorry. Dito ako sa side ng mga nakshis ko. Okay? Kailangan ko silang warningan about you. Yan, no? So, siya yung kinakausap ko dito. No? This person here is someone who will not give you that security. This is someone here who will let go of you, no? Anumang oras niya gustuhin. Okay? And this person right here will be troublesome and will be your nightmare in the future. You are someone here with such a great heart, sweetheart. and I don't want you to be involved with someone right here who have lots of issues, especially sa kanyang love life, no? Actually, his or her whole life is a mess. So, this person right here, sobrang sweet siya dito, no? Sobrang siyang intense sa emotions and feelings na gusto niyang ipakita sa'yo, but those are just illusions, okay? So, if in the first place, this is you, hindi mo siya pinagda-doubt at wala kang ganyang klase ng thinking na what if then? Maybe this person right here, no, is may genuine emotions and feelings for you, but may pinanggagalingan yung fear mo, and it's the energy talking to you. It's the messages coming from divine unseen forces, diba? So, this person right here is trying to stop me to talk to you guys. See, look at, diba? Nagiging worse ng nagiging worse. Okay? But hindi niya ako mapipigilan na sabihin sa inyo ang mensaheng ito. No? Who are you? How dare you? Yan, no? You cannot stop me from telling the truth to my Nakshis right here. Okay? So, kung sino man to, listen to your own intuition, sweetheart. This is not the right one na pagbigyan mo niyang hawak mo na yan. No? Na sincere love and affection for you. Okay? Wala siya nun. Okay? So, ito yung mga mensaheng nakuha ko here for you guys. Thank you so much again in your Yana on me. Sarang hinga, love and light, and